Hi, I'm Brian Trandom. I'm Senior Editor with Cool Springs Press. Gardening Complete is a book that addressed the real nitty-gritty how-to of all types of gardening from 8 of Cool Springs' most highly regarded regional authors, covering the entire gamut of gardening, vegetable, landscape, ornamental gardening. So this is an exciting book for us because it is a genuine cornerstone that really will provide all the how-to information that a reader might need. From planning a planting bed to insect and disease problems, specialty forms of gardening like vertical gardening, gardening with birds and bees, and really everything in between. We deliberately structured it so that beginners could get their feet wet and have fun and enjoy gardening, but there is enough information in it that even advanced gardeners will learn something from these experts. It is a very enjoyable hobby. I generally don't feel that the day is complete unless I'm scrubbing dirt out from under my fingernails at the end of the day.